Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel Label Vlogs. My content for today is about to play my ukulele. My title of the song is I Will by the Beatles. 6 chords and let's try it, okay? Yes, of course, C, chords of C, A minor, D minor, and E minor, F. So this is very easy chords, guys. So actually this is my first time to show you how to play I Will, and to show you how I'm going to play in my ukulele. Syempre guys, of course, just see to it na you have of course the ukulele and nasa tune up din, guys. So check it out, the tune, the key of your ukulele. So this is, of course, if you want to learn how to play ukulele, so of course you have your own ukulele, and you have also a tuner, and you have also to tune up your ukulele. Okay guys, but before that, before to start how to play my song, so of course don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel Label Vlogs. Of course, you have to comment below, and don't forget to push the bell button para next time pag meron akong second tutorial, you can follow me my channel. Okay? Okay, by the way guys, before I'm going to start play my song, sabihin ko lang sa inyo na this ukulele is very precious to sa akin, kasi when I went to Okinawa last January this year, so I bought this ukulele kasi it's also a souvenir for me. So that is my first time I went to Okinawa, so ito po talaga ang binili ko ukulele. So actually hindi lang naman to as isa lang ang ukulele ko. So I have already 3 pieces of ukulele guitar. So okay guys, let's start how to play my song. I'm not a professional, guys, so this is only just only for just only a hobby. So bahala kayo, don't bash me ha, kasi I love to play talaga ukulele. So actually i-show ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako mag-play ng ukulele. Siyempre minsan kasi pag nagtutugtog tayo about music, so minsan nakaka-copyright talaga ako. Okay guys, so let's start to play. Okay, let's start. Let's go to C. Who knows how long, A minor, I'll love you, D minor. You know, C, I love you still, E minor. I will wait a lovely lifetime, A minor. If you ask me to, G, I will. Okay, that's the first part of this song. Okay, so let's go to another second phrase. C again. And if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your A minor name, E minor, but it doesn't really matters, A minor. I will always stay the same. Then let's go to the chorus. I love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're together. Love you when we're, that is D, apart. Let's go to the first phrase, the chords. And when I've lost, I found you. Love will fill the air, A minor, then G, make it loud, that is F, and I can hear you, A minor again, make it easy to be near you. all the things you do, endear you to me. Oh, you know I will. Guys, medyo binagalan ko lang kasi this is very easy. So, the chords is very easy. Okay. Ang chords niya is, start ka sa C, then A minor, then D minor ulit, then you go to C ulit, then A minor, then E minor. Actually guys, pabalik-balik lang yung kanyang chords. It's very easy. Ilang ang maganda sa ukulele kasi 4 strings lang siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 strings. I-compare mo naman sa guitar. Kasi sa guitar, there are 6 strings. So, ang maganda kasi sa ukulele, madali lang kasi very thin yung kanyang maiksi lang at saka thin ang kanyang dito sa my hand. So, madali mo siya maabot. If you really are interested to learn how to play ukulele, it's very easy lang. I-search nyo rin po sa mga ibang nag-tutorial kasi mas marami din kayo din matutunan sa kanila. Pero, it's nice to play ukulele talaga kasi very handy. Kahit saan ka magpunta, pwede mo nyo po ito dalhin. Ako talaga, actually, I know how to play also guitar. Mas prefer ko din ang ukulele kasi it's very cute ba, diba? So, parang very, lady siya. So, guys, so that's my first, I show you the I will. Madali lang kasi po ang chords niya. So, try it. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. So, hindi ko to matutugtog na buo kasi baka na naman tayo ma-copyright. Basta, if you want to learn first how to play ukulele, i-ano ko sa inyo yung I Will by Beatles kasi the chords is very easy. So, actually, maraming mga songs din na madali lang ang mga chords. So, guys, so, that is the one song that I'm going to recommend it to you, the song of I Will. Kasi favorite ko din kasi to, guys. Okay, so, okay, let's try it again. Kung sana hindi ako ma-copyright, okay? Who knows how long I've loved you? You know I love you still. I will wait a lovely lifeline. If you ask me to, I will. And if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your name, but it doesn't really matters. I will always stay the same. So let's go to chorus. I love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're together. D. Love you when we're apart. Then guys, you back to the first phrase, same chords. Okay, ganun pa rin din, pabalik-balik lang siya. And when at last I found you, oh my God, sana hindi ako copyright. Love will fill the air, make it loud so I can hear you. Make it easy to be near you. All the things you do, endear you to me. Oh, you know I will. So that's, guys, my song. The first song I'll show you how to play in my, of course, in your also ukulele. So this is very easy chords. So try it and enjoy play your ukulele. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Label Vlogs. See you again next for my next play ukulele. Thank you again guys for watching and see you guys. Bye.